Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to install a indoor dryer vent kit. This is for when you don't have outdoor venting, when it's not possible, like you don't have a hole in your wall connecting it to the outside. That's when this little kit comes in. All right, and the kit plugs into this little thingy here that comes out of your dryer. All you're gonna need is a little screwdriver at the end to tighten up the little clamp that your little aluminum tube comes with. All right guys, so here I'm showing all the components that comes in the box. There's the little clamp that comes with it. Anyways, let me show you guys how this goes together. So that goes on top of that, and the hose goes in there at the top, just like so. I'm showing you how it goes. That little clamp loosens up with your screwdriver, either a flathead or a Phillips screw. Alright guys, so the next step is fill up the bottom part with water about halfway, because that's what's gonna catch the lint. The lint will get stuck on the water. There's all the instructions on the box. See the picture? That's what's gonna happen. That's the end result we want, with the water in there and the hose coming out of the top. Just fill it up about halfway. So like I was saying, this little groove is gonna go in there. You see how there's a little groove in there? Then you just push those in, push the lid in, and it should hold. And when you take it off, you just pull on that tab and it'll open up the lid. And that's how you're gonna replace the water. Remember, don't forget the water. You wanna have it about halfway, because that's what's gonna get the lint to not be flying around and come out of that little holder. You need the water in there, so the lint has somewhere to sit. Anyways, there it is. I got the hose on there at the top. Make sure it's flush, touching the top. Make sure there's no hole. Alright guys, so this is the end result that you want. We got the water in there, we got the top lid on, the bottom part. We got the hose attached, and it is flush with the top lid. And now we got the clamp down. So now the last thing to do is tighten up that little screw on the fastener with your screwdriver. And remember, after you fasten this up, you shouldn't have to take that aluminum hose off. All you do is unclip those little fasteners that connect the top lid to the bottom part and replace the water every few loads. And that's all she wrote. If this video was helpful to somebody, like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, this is a DIY type of channel, and I'm gonna be showing these kinds of videos now that we have a home. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.